How to install iOS 18.3 public beta on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install iOS 18.3 public beta on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do, a really simple method, is head over to your settings, and under your settings you should find the general. Tap on general and right there you should find the software update option. Tap on it. Now right here you should find the iOS 18.3 public beta option. Now if you don't find it, there should be a beta option on the top right below automatic updates. If that's not there, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head back, go to your Safari, any web browser should be fine, and head over to a website called beta.apple.com. After you type that in, simply hit enter and you will see Apple Beta Software Program. Now after you're a member of this software program, you can take part in testing the beta versions of different softwares that iPhone provides. So you can simply scroll down and you will see the sign up option. Now all you need to do is sign up or sign in if you already have an account, and after you do that you will get the iOS 18.3 public beta on your iPhone, and you can see. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.